Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm going to be making this custom mirror art. It's a collaboration with my friend Adam over at Pretty Done. Let's get into it. For this project, I'm going to be using a mixture of mirror acrylic with a white backer. So Adam went ahead and bought a few different colors of mirror acrylic that he wanted to use and drew the design himself for what he wanted it to look like. So my job is going to be taking his artwork, turning that into a cuttable laser file, and then making a custom mirror acrylic piece from those designs. There is a little bit of work on the design side. When he sent me the file, he actually drew it by hand, so I need to go in, clean it up, and get it ready for the laser. So first off, let me show you what the design looks like. Here's the design that Adam sent me. As you can see, he picked what colors he wanted for each part of the acrylic. Now with this design, it's not set up for laser cutting right now. I need to go in, clean it up, and make it cuttable. I'm going to go ahead and start that process, and then we'll get into cutting and making this artwork. All right, before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and put the sign tape onto the backer this time. I normally put it on the individual pieces, but because I'm going to machine them out of scraps that I have, that'll just take a long time and be kind of difficult. So I'm going to put the adhesive on the backer and then cut it out. Now that I've got all the pieces cut out, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the design. So overall, it should go fairly smoothly. It's pretty much a peel and stick type assembly, no glue involved. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you what it looks like. So here is the final product. It's hard to get a good shot of it just because it reflects everything, but there's an eye in the heart over here. There's a sun in that one. Then there's a pair of eyes with a bunch of cutouts in here. So this is the final design. That's gonna do it for this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. And I am going to be doing more collaborations with Adam using Mir Acrylic and his artwork. So be sure to check out my Instagram @MakerExperiment, where I will share this stuff along the way. And I'm also going to put his links in the description below. But I want to thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.